In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add friends on Spotify. If you want to keep up with what people you know are listening to and easily find their playlists, this is the simplest way to do it, and it only takes a moment. First, make sure you're using the Spotify desktop app on your computer. The web player doesn't include the full friend follow features, so open the app on Windows or Mac. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a second to update so everything loads correctly. Being on the desktop app ensures you'll see the options you need. Once the app is open, look to the very top for the search bar. Click into it and type your friend's name, or, even better, their exact username. Usernames are unique and make it much easier to land on the right profile, especially if they have a common name. Take your time typing it carefully. Small typos can change the results. As results appear, focus on the Profiles section. This is different from songs, artists, and podcasts. If you don't see profiles immediately, scroll the results pane until you find it. Take a moment to scan for the correct person by checking their profile photo and any visible details. A quick glance helps you avoid following the wrong account by mistake. When you're confident you've got the right profile, click their name to open it. You'll see a follow button on the page. Click Follow. The button should change to indicate you're now following, which confirms you'll start seeing their public activity and any playlists they choose to make public. It's that straightforward, and there's nothing else you need to configure. If multiple people share the same name, try refining the search with extra details such as a handle they use elsewhere. If your friend can't be found, it's often because the name is common or the account uses a different display name than you expect. Asking for their exact username can save time and make the search more precise. That's the entire process. Open the desktop app, search by name or username, choose the correct profile from the Profiles section, and press Follow. You can repeat this for as many friends as you like, and you can unfollow at any time from their profile if you change your mind. One quick tip before we wrap up. If the follow button doesn't appear or nothing happens after you click, try closing and reopening the app to refresh. A stable internet connection also helps ensure search results and profile pages load as expected.